Welcome back, everyone. Today, we'll be diving into a useful feature in DaVinci Resolve that allows you to effortlessly remove silence from your audio. Please note that this feature is available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have imported your clip into DaVinci Resolve Studio. After that, right-click on your video clip, navigate to Audio Transcription, and transcribe your audio. Here, you'll see markers indicating silent portions. These marks highlight the moments of silence in your recording. If you're using a teleprompter and pause during your speech, this feature becomes especially handy. Select the entire transcript or the relevant portions, then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Remove Silent Portions. This action will eliminate all the silent sections, leaving you with a clean and concise transcript. Now, select everything and either insert or append it into your timeline. Your footage will be neatly cut without those silent gaps. A quick tip: while this automated process is quite accurate, it may not be perfect. Take a moment to review your footage and ensure none of your words are inadvertently cut off. Adjust as needed to maintain the flow of your narrative. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to remove silence from your audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.